I received the rear shock from Racing.
This one is Rizoma type and this one is the original one.
But they got a little bit of brake fluid on them, so the dirt is not a problem, but I have to remove the stickers. Hello guys, so today is the day that I'm going to remove the last colors of my GSXR. So as I already told you in the last video, I will remove the fuel tank and prepare it for the painters. So I will remove the plastic, all of the stickers around it, and also some of the stickers are under the clear coat. So I'm not sure how I'm going to remove them, but I will try to manage something out. And after my last video, some of you guys asked me about the exhaust and what I did with it, and I totally forgot to talk about it. But a few videos ago I showed you the state of my old exhaust and it was in very bad condition. So what I did, I ordered the new one. It's all stock. I wanted maybe to put something nicer, but I think on the track I wouldn't pass the sound check, so I think that was the best option for me. And also, finally, I received the rear shock from Racing. So he reassembled everything. He also offered me to change the spring to suit my weight. So we did that. And yeah, so finally, today is the day I'm going to put it in, of course, with the help of my friend. And my bike will finally stand on two wheels. So looking forward to that because it's been a long time. But yeah, so now I think we will just get ready and start working on it. So the spot is ready for filming. I don't know how much you'll be able to see from this angle because it's quite hard to film it, but I will try to show you some of the process. And now what my friend is doing, he's preparing the bearings for the rear shock. So he's using this multi-purpose grease, and now we will try to put it in the back of the bike. Are you ready for it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Let me do something, because otherwise every single bit of this video will be done by you. I have to pretend that I'm doing something. So we decided that this angle is just horrible and you will not be able to see anything. So I think I'm just skipping this part. And the rear shock is in the 3, 2, 1. Magical. So it was quite an easy and fast process, and the rear shock is in its place. And now it's time to put the rear wheel in. But before putting the wheel in, I have to prepare the rear brake caliper. So I will clean it now. So I will prepare this bottle for the water to go. I think I will cut myself with this thing. So I will use the scissors instead. I don't want to lose any fingers, you know. Okay. Okay, I can see that this thing is not working anymore. So I will use some petrol instead. So if this thing doesn't work, then I think nothing will. Okay, I will also clean all of the bolts. I don't know if it's cleaning any parts, but it's definitely cleaning the toothbrush for the next time, so that's one good thing. And also, as I told you in my last video, my friend ordered Rizoma type mirrors. So we put one of them on one side and the original one on the other. So I think after I finish cleaning this part, I will show you. I made a poll on the Instagram for people to help me decide which one looks nicer, but they are not helping because it's 50-50 and I have no idea what to do. In my opinion, without any mirrors looks the best, but I think it's illegal. I'm not sure. I'm still trying to figure it out. But I don't want to be on the police radar, so I don't know what to do. But maybe you in the comment section will help me to decide. I just hope for it that there will be no 50-50, just like on Instagram. But yeah, so I think for now I finished cleaning it. So now I have to remove this cylinder and then I will finish cleaning the inside of it. But I'm not using the air pressure by myself, so my friend will help me with it, as always. Thank you. Okay, and the last part is brake pads. They're pretty clean, but they got a little bit of brake fluid on them, so I want to make sure that everything is clean. So I'm using petrol again. Okay, now everything is clean and I can start reassemble everything. Okay, that's it. Now it's time for the wheel. And also, as I said about the mirrors, we have both of them here and look how they look.
So this one is Rizoma type and this one is the original one. Which one do you think looks better? Because I have no idea. Like this one maybe looks more modern. Of course my front will be very bright, so I don't know. If I would use original ones, I would totally just make the turn signals darker a bit. But yeah.
So leave a comment down below which one to choose, because I really need your advice. But now it's time to put the rear wheel in, finally. Okay, before putting the wheel in, I saw that it needs a little cleaning, so I will do that because it has a lot of stickers, a lot of dirt. So the dirt is not a problem, but I have to remove the stickers. Okay, so firstly I will try to remove balancing weights. I just hope not to damage the wheel. It's removing quite easily, so that's good. There's a lot of glue, so I think I will just use a heating gun just to remove it easier, because otherwise it will be a very hard challenge for me. Best tool ever. Okay, so I will try to finish it with the cleaner, and now this bit. Okay, so one part came off with the paint, so that's not very good, but I have a paint pencil, so I think I will try to fix it, because I'm not changing it, so I just have to make it look nicer. So I have a pen for it. Okay, so after eternity it finally came off. So some of the parts looks very horrible, so I will use a lot of paint. I have a paint pencil, so I use it on these parts just to make them look nicer, because I need it all black and I'm not changing it because it's all good, you know, it's just the paint. I was thinking about repainting it, but then I thought, you know, always when I change the tires, either way it will damage the tire, not the tire, the wheel. So I don't think I have to spend my money in there, so I'm not doing it. So I will try to do everything myself, you know, and paint it and look it and make it look as nice as possible. But now it's time for this thing. It's a citrus cleaner. Is it on the other side too? Yes, it is. Yes, it freaking is. I'm not sure that I will be able to prepare the tank for the painters, because this video will be super long. And also I wanted to ask you guys, do you like videos like 5 minutes long, or you like them to be a bit longer? Like now I'm making them between 10 and 15 minutes, you know, so aren't they too long for you? Because I don't want them to be too boring to watch. So if you could leave a comment down below and let me know, I would appreciate it. Okay, let's talk, Gerda. It's very late, it's almost midnight, and tomorrow I have to go to work. And still a lot of work needs to be done. Okay, we are all done with this side. Now we have to clean. Where is it? Where is it? Am I done? Yes, I am. Sounds perfect to me. Looks perfect to me. Still needs a little paint, you know, but for now and for what it was, it's perfection in my eyes. I think I will not paint it today, because I will just, you know, change the tire. So I think I will paint it after that. And now let's put the sprocket and the brake disc on this thing. Okay, so now I will tighten the bolts 35 Newton meters. So I'm all done and everything's tightened, and now let's put it in. Okay, so we're all done. So happy to see the bike finally standing on the 2 wheels. So that's super great, but for now that's it. I will not plan the videos anymore, and I will not say for you in advance what I'm going to do. This part will definitely be for the next video, but for now, thank you guys for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. I love reading them all, and as always, kisses. Oh, dirty. Bye.